Wow.
You look so cute.
Amazing. I'm so excited to marry.
I think what made writing these vows so challenging is because you are not the kind of person who can be described through a single piece of paper. You've been there for my greatest challenges. You've encouraged me to grow. You've believed in me, applauding my successes, and telling me in times of failures that it was their loss. You see the good not only in me, but everyone around you, and you have a heart so pure and full of kindness it can change the world. I vow to embrace life with the same sense of curiosity as you, always open to adventure. I cannot promise that life will be perfect, but it will be perfect life with you. I'm so proud to call you my husband.
Jen. Over 10 years ago, we met. To put that into a scary perspective, we still had a 1 before the second member in our age. Now we have a 3, and we are finally doing what we thought about on our parents' couch, wishing over a loose eyelash, not sharing our wish with each other, in fear our wishes wouldn't come true. I don't think we ever needed to wish.
And by the power vested in me by the state of Massachusetts, I now pronounce you husband and wife. I now present the newly married couple, Mr. and Mrs. Visconti.